Hello friends, welcome to Universal Science Academy and OBS Chemistry YouTube channel. Okay, so today we are going to discuss methods of preparations of phenols, how phenols could be prepared. Okay, so phenols could be prepared by using four methods. So first is preparation of phenols from chlorobenzene. Okay, that we are going to discuss right now. Second is preparation of phenol from isopropyl benzene. Okay, third is preparation of phenol from aniline, and fourth is preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. This is the fourth method, right? So there are four methods. So first we are going to discuss here preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene, and in that there are two processes. So first is what? By DOS process. So what happened in DOS process? Look at here. This is chlorobenzene, right? Now this chlorobenzene when heated with sodium hydroxide, which is aqueous sodium hydroxide, right? And which temperature? 613 Kelvin. Also here we have to apply pressure. So that pressure is 300 atmospheric pressure. That pressure is what? 300 atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now this chlorobenzene when heated with this at 613 and 300 atmospheric pressure, okay, then it is converted into sodium phenoxide. So here what happened? This chlorine is replaced by Cl is replaced by phenoxide O minus, okay, O minus ion, right? So here chlorobenzene is converted into sodium phenoxide. Okay. Now what is the byproduct here? Byproduct काय असणार आहे? So this Na combines with this Cl, so you will get here NaCl, right? Na combines with the Cl, NaCl, and here you will get one molecule of water. काय मिळणार तुम्हाला इथे? One molecule of water. Okay, बघा परत सांगतोय मी काय झालंय. फर्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये क्लोरोबेन्झीनला हीट केलं आपण aqueous NaOH सोबत at 613 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. So you will get here sodium phenoxide. काय मिळालं तुम्हाला इथे? Sodium phenoxide. आणि बाय प्रोडक्ट काय मिळतंय? NaCl and H2O. Now we have to balance the reaction. आपल्याला रिएक्शन बॅलन्स करायची आहे. So how many sodium atoms are present on right hand side? There are two sodium atoms. So we have to multiply here by 2. Now you can balance for the oxygens and hydrogen. So there are two oxygen on left hand side. You will find here two oxygens here on right hand side, two hydrogens on left hand side, again here two hydrogens on right hand side. Okay, so here chlorine is also balanced. So this is the first step. Sodium phenoxide is prepared in first step. Now what is second step in DOS process? So this sodium phenoxide is treated with acid. Okay, so that acid is dilute HCl. Okay, that acid is dilute HCl, or you can use also H2SO4, right? So what happened here? This sodium phenoxide reacts with the dilute HCl. This process is known as hydrolysis. What we call hydrolysis, right? तर इथे आपल्याला काय मिळणार? This Na plus combines with Cl minus, and this H is added here. Okay, so you will get OH. Here is alternate double bond, benzene ring, and Na combines with the Cl, so you will get here NaCl. So this is what phenol. काय मिळालं तुम्हाला इथे? Phenol मिळालं, right? So here the second step is sodium phenoxide when hydrolyzed with dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, then it gives phenol. Okay. Now alternate method is also there. Okay, alternate method is also there. So what we have to do in alternate method? So we are going to prepare aqueous solutions of this sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide चा आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? Aqueous solution prepare करायचं आहे. So I am just writing here H2O. Okay, and this aqueous solution of in this aqueous solution of sodium phenoxide we have to pass carbon dioxide. Okay, काय केलंय आपण बघा. This is sodium phenoxide. Now this sodium phenoxide is dissolved in water. So this is aqueous solution, and we have to pass carbon dioxide gas. What we have to pass? Carbon dioxide gas through that solution. So what happened here? There is formations of phenol. Okay, formation of phenol plus here this sodium, then carbon dioxide and water. So there will be formations of one byproduct. That byproduct is what? Sodium bicarbonate. You will get sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so you can balance the reaction. You can balance the reactions here. Look at here. There is only one sodium. Okay, Na. Here is also Na, right, on right hand side. Again, how many oxygens are present here? 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 carbon is there. Okay, on left hand side, right hand side ला पण काय आहे? एक कार्बन आहे. Total number of hydrogens, there are 2 hydrogens here. Okay, so one hydrogen is here in phenolic group and another hydrogen is the part of sodium bicarbonate. So this is what? Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, sodium bicarbonate. So this is alternative method for the hydrolysis. Hydrolysis ला ही alternate method आपल्याला use करता येते. So this is first method in chlorobenzene, that is DOS process, right? So next is चला मित्रांनो आपण बघूया Raschig process. This is second method of chlorobenzene, right? So second method in chlorobenzene, that is preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. So what happened in Raschig process? Look at here. So we have to heat this chlorobenzene. We have to heat this chlorobenzene with steam. Okay, H2O, but here we have to take steam. Chlorobenzene is heated with steam at 698 Kelvin. At 698 Kelvin in presence of catalysts such as silica or calcium phosphate, that is Ca3 PO4 by 2. So these two are catalyst here. These two are catalyst here. So what happened? Look at here. This Cl is replaced by OH. But how? Water has two parts. One is H, another is OH. So this Cl is replaced by this OH. Okay. So you will get here phenol. इथे तुम्हाला काय मिळणार आहे? Phenol मिळणार आहे. Okay. And what is byproduct? This H combines with the Cl. You will get HCl as byproduct. Okay, phenol and HCl. Okay, कळलं तुम्हाला? तर काय करायचं आपल्याला सांगा. क्लोरोबेन्झिनला हीट करायचंय. कुणासोबत हीट करायचंय? स्टीम सोबत. कोणत्या टेम्परेचर वरती? 698 केल्विन. ओके, आणि कुणाच्या प्रेझेन्स मध्ये? 2 कॅटलिस्टच्या प्रेझेन्स मध्ये सिलिका और कॅल्शियम phosphate. You will get here phenol. So Cl is replaced by OH. Okay.